To clone WhatsApp in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down until we find the security and privacy settings, and then we can scroll down again and enter the private space. Now inside, if you do it for the first time, you will need to set up your private space. I've made a dedicated video about it, so if you're interested, you can watch it on my channel. When your private space is set up, go back and swipe up like this so we can see app screen, and then we can scroll all the way down and unlock our private space. It will be probably locked like this. Then we can click on the add button, install apps, and here you might need to log into your Google account, and after that you can search for the WhatsApp. Install it. And then when your WhatsApp is installed right here in the private space, and you have WhatsApp installed normally through Google Play Store without private space, then you will have two different apps. So there's the original WhatsApp right here, and then we have the cloned version of WhatsApp that we installed in private space. So as you can see, we have two different WhatsApps. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.